We're going to continue on and actually work some problems now. Okay, well, let's just start with this one. Oh, and first off, by the way, I'm on my website, which is at mathphix.com. That's phix.com. And what we've got here is we've got a minus, or I should say a negative, and then in parentheses a 24. So this basically simplifies down to negative 24. We just drop the parentheses and we put negative 24. Okay, just so you can see what's going on here. Over on the right hand side I have different levels. So we're starting with level 1 here, and then we're going to work our way down on the right hand side. So let's click it again. Okay, unfortunately I can't get everything on the screen here. Okay, so we have a negative, and then in parentheses we have another negative, right? So a negative and a negative becomes positive, so this just becomes 12. Let's check that, and that is correct. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Alright, we have 11 plus, and then we have in parentheses here a negative 42. Well, if we were to drop these parentheses, a plus and a negative becomes negative. Let's go ahead and go to the marker board. Okay, so let's see. Let me write out a different one here on the screen. So if I had a minus 38 plus, and then in parentheses I put, let's say, a negative 43. Close parentheses. Now if I had to rewrite this, and we want to drop these parentheses here, this becomes a negative 38 minus 43. Okay, so a plus and a negative inside, we drop the parentheses and it becomes a minus. So I'm going to take it that you know how to come up with the answer here, negative 38 minus 43. Your answer is going to be a negative. Alright, let's work another one here. If I had a negative and then a negative 12, okay. So we have a negative, or we have a negative basically, and a negative becomes positive. So that simplifies down to just 12. A negative becomes positive. But remember, if this were negative and the inside is positive, now of course we don't put a plus sign for positive. So this is going to simplify down to negative 12. Alright, let's I don't know, let's see here. Let's work a little bit more complicated one. We have a parentheses, negative 22, okay, minus 28, minus 22. Okay, so the inside's going to be a negative answer, and then this is going to be, we have a minus 22, so our answer is going to end up being negative. Let's see if we can quickly come up with the answer here. 8, 9, 10, 4, 5, so that's 50, right? So it's going to be a minus 50, and then a minus 22, and I'll let you come up with that. It's going to be a negative. I don't know, I'll help you out here. 5, 6, 7, 72. Alright, negative 72. Okay, let's do one more here. 30 minus, and 3 plus 7. Right, so this becomes 30 minus 10. Okay, so we do what's in parentheses first here. And of course that's just a 20.